Good morning, guys. How are you today? Fine. We have finished on Friday our lesson that was about decimal numbers. How do we write the expanded form of any decimal number, or how do we write the letter form of any number? Now, our lesson today is about comparison of two decimal numbers. So, lesson two, it's about comparison of two decimal numbers. Yeah. I will share for you a PowerPoint. It's about comparison of two decimal numbers. Yeah. Okay, how do we compare two decimal numbers together? We took in grade 4, how do we compare two decimal numbers together? Now let's revise them. For example, yeah, teacher, if we have 6, let's compare. We will do example before we start on the math. Compare by using less than, greater than, or equal. For example, 2.9. How do we compare it by 5.7 or 3 or 13.7 and 5.52? Another example, 9.6 and 9.2, 10.3 and 10.45, 7 plus 8 over 100, and 9 plus or 19 plus 2 out of 1,000. Yeah. How do we compare them? First step, we look at the whole part in both sides. What is the whole part here in 2.9? It's 2, and here it's 5. Both whole parts are different. No need to look at the decimal part. We just compare the whole parts, 2 and 5. Which one is bigger? 5 is bigger than 2. So 5.7 is bigger than 2.9. The second one, the whole part here is 13 and here it's 5. Which one is bigger? 13. So 13.7 is bigger than 5.52. Here, 9.6, 9.2. The whole part here is 9 and here also is 9. So both two decimal numbers have the same whole part, 9. So what shall I do? We can't say they are equal because the decimal parts are different. So what shall I do? We look at the decimal part, 6 and 2. Which one is bigger, 6 or 2? 6 is bigger than 2. So if the whole parts are the same, we look at the decimal part and we compare them. 6 is bigger than 2. So 9.6 is bigger than 9.2. The second one, 10.3, 10.45. Also, both of them have the same whole part, 10, 10. Now we look at the decimal part. Here it's 3, here it's 45. Can we say that 45 is bigger than 3? No, we can't. Here there's a trick. Why? Did you remember from grade 4? Before I compare the digits, we should count them. How many digits do we have here in the decimal part? We have 2 digits, whereas here we have 1 digit. We can't compare the digits in the decimal part unless they have same number. So what shall I do if they are different? Here we have 2 and here just 1. We will add 0 because if we add plenty of zeros at the end, the number will not change, it stays the same. So before I compare them, we should add 0, don't forget. Now 10.30, 10.45, 45 or 30, 45 is bigger. So before I compare the numbers in the decimal part, we have to make sure that both have same number of digits. If they are different, we add 0. 7 plus 8 over 100. Let's write as a decimal number. 7 point. 100 means 2 digits. 8, one of them will empty space 0. Here, 19 point. 1,000 means 3 digits. Place 2 at the end, will empty space zeros. Let's compare them. The whole part is 19 and here it's 7. They are different. No need to look at the decimal part and add zeros. They are different. Compare them. Which one is bigger? 19 is bigger than 7. Okay, teacher? Now let's do exercise 1, page 64. Compare the following by using less than, greater than, or equal. 47.304, 47.3040. The whole part here is 47 and here it's 47. Both of them are the same. So what shall I do? We look at the decimal part. Before I start compare them digit by digit, we should count. How many digits do we have here? 3 digits. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we have to add 0 before I start comparing them. We add 0 here. Now they will be 4 and 4. Let's compare them digit by digit. 3, 3, the same. 0, 0, same. 4, 4, same. 0, 0. So they are equal, same digits in both. The second one, the whole part here is 50 and here 500. Which one is bigger? No need to look at the decimal part. The whole parts are different. 500 is bigger. Here, the whole part is 28. Here we have some. Let's add them. 20 plus 8, 28. Point. هلا الديسيمال part 1000 means 3 digits. 7 at the end will empty space zeros. Type same whole parts in both. Now we should count the decimal part. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3. So what shall I do? We have to add 0, then we compare them. 0, 0, the same. 0, 0, the same. 0 and 7, we stop. They are different. Which one is bigger? 7. So the second number is bigger. So the most important thing is to count the digits and add 0 if they are different. Here also the same whole part. Look at the decimal part and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it's just 1. So we must add 3 zeros in order to be the same. Now we compare them digit by digit. 5, 4. Which one is bigger? 5. Okay. Now 8 plus 3 times 200, 4,000, 5,000. Look here. عندنا two fractions having same denominator 1,000. I explained it in the previous lesson بالfractions. If we have two fractions having the same denominator, you have to pay attention. How do we add them? We just copy the denominator and we add the numerators. 4 plus 5, how much? It's 9. So this one, it's the same as 9 over 1,000. Okay, now we write the decimal number. So first we add these two fractions that have same denominator, then we write the decimal number, 8.110. So we write the 3 dashes. Which digit is the 10th? It's a 3. Which digit is the 100th? It's 2. Which digit is the 1000th? It's 9. Now this part, 8 plus 4 over 10. How do we write it as a decimal number? 8.4. Let's compare them now. 8, 8, same whole parts. Look at the decimal part and count the digits. Here we have 3 digits, here we have just 1, so we must add 2 digits. 400 with 329. Which one is bigger? 400. If someone forgot to add 0, so they will be 8.329 is bigger, so it will be wrong. So you have to pay attention to the zeros. How do we add? I gave you the expanded form. We write 2 dashes, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes. Here we have just 1 digit, so 4 dashes. 3 we place it under 4, will 3 under 1, will empty space zeros. Here 2 كمان عندنا 3 dashes. Do we have over 10? I fill it with 0. Do we have over 100? Yes. Over 1,000? Yes. Now we compare them digit by digit. 2, same whole parts. Look at the decimal part. عندنا 4 digits with 3 digits. So we should add 0, then we compare them digit by digit. 3 and 0, which one is bigger? 3. Okay, we have finished from part A. Please copy it on your math book. Now part B. Same way. The whole part here is 612. Here it's 621. Which one is bigger? 621. 6, 6, 1, 2. 2 is bigger. Here, 3, 3, the same. Look at the decimal part. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits in both sides. Now we compare them digit by digit. 1, 1, 4, 6. Which one is bigger? 6. 7.8, 7.543. Same whole part. Look at the decimal part. عندنا 3 digits ب1 digit. We add 2 zeros. 8 is bigger than 5. Now, change this one to decimal number. 3 dashes. التنth هي 1. 100th هي 2. 1000th هي 3. And here, 3.2. Same whole part in both sides. Look at the decimal part. 3 digits, 1 digit. We must add 2 digits. Which one is bigger? Here, decimal part starts with 1. Here, it starts with 2. For sure, 200 is bigger. Here, expanded form. 5.3. 5 هي third one. So 1, 2, 3. 5.305. Here, 5.3 dashes. ال 5 at the end. ال 3 هي ال 100 وال 10th هو 0. طيب 5 5 same whole part. 3 digits 3 digits. Compare them digit by digit. 3 and 0, which one is bigger? 3. We still have one part. 0.4 0.05 0.008. طيب هون نحن كلهم decimal numbers، ما عندنا whole number like this one 2 plus 0.3. so شو هو ال whole part here؟ 0 point. هلا هون عندنا 1 digit، هون 2 digits وهون 3 digits. we have to place 3 dashes. ال 4 under the first dash، ال 5 under the second dash وال 8 under the third dash. طيب هلا عندنا هون بس whole number 458، يعني هو the same as 458.0 اذا ما نحوله نحن كديسيمال نمبر. يعني لما ما يكون عندنا ديسيمال بوينت معناتها هو whole number. الهول نمبر هون هو 458. طيب هون الهول نمبر هو 0. طب which one is bigger? No need to look at the decimal part. 0 or 458? 458. Okay? Thank you guys. Please copy them on your math books. Try to solve it alone. Then when you finish it, check the video and correct them. Okay? See you on Tuesday. Bye bye.